are having a lovely day. So in today's video I wanted to show you guys a quick and easy at home face mask recipe that I use. Basically I came across this face mask recipe a few years ago by the YouTuber Farah the Kai, and I've been using it for so long, and when I don't feel like using like a face mask that I bought from outside, I normally make this one. And lately my skin's just been super dull. I haven't been really like looking after my skin, so I really wanted to do this face mask, but I thought why not make a YouTube video out of this. So before I kind of do this face mask, if I'm wearing any makeup, I like to just remove it using this and so this is the Body Shop's Chamomile Cleansing Butter, and it's so good. It's just this it actually looks like butter, and literally when I remove my makeup with this, it leaves my skin feeling super soft and like extra super clean. I just massage it onto my skin and then just wash it off. It doesn't leave, it kind of feels like it's oily, but it's actually not. Once you wash it off, it just comes right off as if it's just milk or something. But yeah, and then I would just finally go in with a makeup remover wipe and just wipe off any remaining makeup that is left into like the corner of your eyes and stuff like that. That's like the cleansing part of my face. And then yeah, so that's like the cleansing part of my routine. I'm just gonna like show you guys now what you need and like how you make the face mask. And yeah, so let's begin. Yes, so firstly you need a bowl and a spoon. So the first ingredient you need is this. It's besan, also known as ground flour or chickpea flour. You can easily find this from a grocery store. So I'm just taking like a spoon of the flour, and then the next ingredient that you need is some turmeric. You can easily find this in a grocery store as well. And so I'm just taking a tiny amount, just that much, of turmeric. You don't want to use too much of this because this can also stain your skin a little bit. And then you need some almond oil. You can also find this in a grocery store. So I'm also going to add like a teensy bit of oil in there. And then the last ingredient that you need is some milk. This is just to combine all the dry ingredients together to create a really nice paste. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Don't add too much. Add a little bit and mix it really well until it forms into a really nice and not too runny and not too thick kind of a paste. So I'm just kind of mixing this now, and it's kind of dry as you can see. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the milk. Yeah, and then mix well. It's kind of coming together. Hey guys, now it's ready. It's a really nice and not too runny and not too thick kind of a paste. So this is the kind of consistency that you need. I'm just gonna quickly go and wash my face, and then I'm ready to apply this. And so yeah, now you can just go ahead and you can use a brush, or you can just use your fingers and just go ahead and apply it to your face. You can even apply on your neck or even body if you like, but yeah, I'm just doing it for my face for now. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply like a good layer all around my face, and I'm gonna look like SpongeBob now. So yeah, and that is it, you guys. Now you just need to leave this on for 20 minutes and it'll start to like dry out and it'll start to crack. And yeah, you can go ahead and, I don't know, watch an episode, something on Netflix, read a book, listen to music. So you guys, turmeric has unlimited benefits which can be googled, but if I was to quickly summarize, then turmeric goes into all of the curries that we eat. It gives color, but it also has so many other health benefits. And in India, when brides are about to get married, they use a turmeric mask on their entire body, and it gives them a soft and glowing skin. This mask is going to help us prevent any dark circles, any acne, any wrinkles, and ultimately it's going to give us a super glowing and clear skin, which is why I love to use this mask once a week or even once a month sometimes. But whenever I use it, I love the results. It lasts for days. And yeah, so just waiting for it to dry out. So you guys, it's kind of drying out now, and as you can see, it started to crack a little in places. Look at my forehead. So once it's fully dried like this, I'm gonna go and just wash this off with lukewarm water. And yeah, so let's go and wash it off. You might want to do this mask before you shower, so it's just easier to like wash it off when you take a shower. So you guys, that is it. I just washed my face. My face looks super clean and soft, and I love it. Now you just need to moisturize, and that is it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, leave me any comments. Take care you guys, bye.